Hi there. So let's talk about Tradingview. We have Ninjatrader and of course Quantower right there. We're going to create an ultimate guide for the comparison of these three trading websites. So today we're diving into a deep battle between three of the most powerful trading platforms out there. Each of these platforms has a loyal fan base, powerful features, and unique advantages. Now to get this comparison out of the way, we're going to have it under 7 sections. I'm going to talk about them in 7 sections and check which one is the best among the rest. We're going to start with the user interface, charting tools, broker integration, market data, automation and bots, pricing, best use case of course. So let's get started. So under user interface and experience, let's start with that one. Because if the platform isn't easy to use, the rest doesn't matter, right? For example, you don't really know how to use it. It doesn't really matter to go forward. So TradingView, we're going to start with this one. So has arguably the cleanest, most modern interface. It's browser based, take note about that one. Because this two right here, especially Quantower, this is going to be a third party application, which is a huge con for me. I don't really like downloading applications. I like trading by the website. So that's TradingView. That will be a browser based, lightning fast, and intuitive even for beginners. You can jump between charts. For example, this is going to be indices, that's stocks, crypto, and the works. Also, watch lists and screeners with ease. Dark mode, multi-layouts, and mobile responsiveness make it very user-friendly. The dark theme should be right there, and basically it has also a mobile version. Again, I just want to highlight, it's the only one among the rest, among this three right here, that has a website. Well, anyway, let's talk about the next one, Quantower, in terms of user interface. In here, Quantower is sleek, modular, and very customizable. It's a downloadable desktop application and it offers a professional fees. Without being overwhelming, you can build your workspace with detectable panels and save layouts for different trading strategies. Moving over for the next one, Ninjatrader, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve. If TradingView has a beginner-friendly interface, well, Ninjatrader is going to be the different one on that. The interface is powerful, but it's more traditional and not most beginner. However, once you're used to it, the customization and power it offers is astounding, especially guys for future long-term traders. So the winner for user interface for this one, I am going to have to give it for TradingView for beginners, Quantower for customizable hybrid experience, and of course Ninjatrader if you're okay with learning with a pro level system. So basically all three of them is winning on that part right there, depending if you're a beginner or you're a pro level user. Let's talk about the charting and technical tools. In trading overview, this is the power of it. It's famous for beautiful real-time charts. As you can see right there, these are real-time charts. And also has a massive library of indicators, both native and community created. You can also create your own scripts using PineScript, their proprietary coding language. Next one for Quantower also offers advanced charting capabilities. It supports multi-chart types like Renko, Heikin Aishi, Point, and Figure, and has a solid set of built-in indicators. You can also code your own tools using C++. And of course, we can't forget about the pro users for Ninjatrader. Now this is going to be extremely powerful in this area. Especially for futures and day traders, it has a deep customizability, complex strategy, building and unique tools like Order Flow Plus, Volume Profile, and Market Depth. Ideal for active scalpers and technical analysts. Now, of course, the winner for charting, that will be TradingView if you're going to be for beauty and community-driven tools, Ninjatrader for ultra-detailed future analysis, and Quantower if you want the best both of both worlds in a desktop application. Let's talk about the broker integration and assets for this one. Going back on TradingView, it connects to a growing list of brokers including Owanda, Forex.com, TradeStation, interactive brokers, and even crypto exchanges like Binance and Kraken. However, order execution is still limited compared to other platforms. That's why it's still on the bottom of the list for this one in terms of broker integration and asset coverage. Talking about Quantower, on the other hand, is very flexible. It connects to dozens of brokers, including CQG, AMP Futures, Binance, FTX, and others. If you're trading crypto, forex, stocks, or futures, it's got you covered. It also supports fixed API. Now going back on the big boss of traders, which is going to be Ninjatrader, is tightly integrated with its own brokerage system, especially for futures and ICs markets. And its depth of data and speed is excellent. However, for stock and crypto traders, options are limited without workarounds. I want to highlight that again, in terms of Ninjatrader, if you're a stock and crypto traders, Ninjatrader would not be for you. So who's the winner for this one in terms of broker integration? I'm gonna have to give it to the boy right here, Quantower. It's the most flexible across assets. Tradingview is improving fast, and Ninjatrader dominates for futures, but not so much outside of that. Let's talk about market data. This is for trading overview. It has a reliable, delayed, and real-time data for global exchanges. But to get full real-time access to market like NYSE, NASDAQ, or FX feeds, you'll need to pay for the data add-ons. I want to highlight that one. There's still a payment inside TradingView to get the real-time options for NYSE, NASDAQ, or FX feeds. In terms of Quantower, it doesn't include data by default, but it connects to multiple data providers, especially if you're using a broker that supplies data like Rhythmic or CQG. Quantower will utilize it directly. In terms of Ninjatrader for this one, as you can see, it has a features. It uses institutional grade market data through its own brokerage. Again, it's going to be internally for this one. You can purchase data from SME, ICE, and more. The Order Flow Plus suit performs real-time depth, footprint charts, and advanced volume tools. Now, in terms of market data, who won for this one? I'm gonna have to give it to Ninjatrader for institutional level futures data. Now, if you're looking for flexibility, Quantower would be the one for you. Now, for algo traders and automation fans, this category matters. So please listen carefully. Now, going back on trading overview lets you build custom indicators and strategies using PineScript. And you can do some backtesting, however, the live auto trading is not natively supported. You'll need a third-party application, bridges like Ultratron or AutoView for this one. Now going here for Quantower, it offers C+ scripting and supports both manual and algorithmic trading. There's also integration with bot-in API system. It's more developer-friendly than TradingView. If you notice right here, Quantower is the middle of the two worlds right here. TradingView is going to be the beginner level, Ninjatrader would be the advanced level. In the middle of the two right there, best of both worlds, would be Quantower. Well, anyway, going back on automation, talking about Ninjatrader right there, it takes the crown here. It has a full strategy builder, C+ scripting, backtesting engine, and even optimization tools. So if you want to code your own bot and run it with real money, this is the one of the best platforms out there. So the winner for this one, with no doubt, Ninjatrader, hands down, for serious algo traders. Second would be Quantower, for great for semi-pros and developers, and of course, TradingView, best for alerts and basic strategy testing. Of course, the most important part right there, the pricing. Let's start with TradingView. It has a freemium model, basically free, but has add-ons, that's why it's called freemium. You can use it for free with ads and limited features. Paid plans for this one is limited as well, depending on your add-ons. Now for this one, Quantower used to have a paywall, but it now offers a free version with decent features. However, the paid version for this one will be around $25 to $60 per month depending on your features. Now talking about Ninjatrader, it's free to use for charting and strategy building. But if you want to please your trades, you'll need to either rent the platform monthly, this one right here, buy a lifetime access. That will be a lifetime access for around $1,099. Or use the brokerage with basic features unlocked. Take note about those one. So for the winner for pricing, I'm gonna give it to TradingView. Now let's have a comparison, a full complete comparison for the last part. Best use case. So TradingView is perfect if you're a retail trader, crypto investor, or beginner. Great charts, commuter scripts, and ease of access. Especially if you don't need deep automation. Now, Quantower, on the other hand, is ideal for active traders who want flexibility, low latency execution, and brokerage choice. If you're trading across crypto, futures, and forex, Quantower would be the one for you. Of course, the big guy right here, Ninjatrader, is best for future traders, scalpers, and algorithmic developers who deep order flow data, high-speed execution, and powerful custom tools.